rapper, Mr. Leonard White, real godfather, so please subscribe. As me watch a video, me have to do it every time. Share with my friends, comment, like. Rapper, the struggle is alive.
What's poppin', my beautiful people? How are you guys doing? Big up on a Sunday, you know, you don't know, you know. But even though today is not a dumpling day, yeah, a rice and peas setting. Although, you can eat whatever you want. Whatever you want. I don't know, say time matter now. You understand? Nobody now have to stick to one thing. You see me, I say, yeah, and that's the thing there. So now, people, look on this dumpling eating competition. Jesus Christ, them are not dumpling, them are wagon wheel, them are tractor wheel, them are chuck wheel, you call them a kegs or bucket. You know, just use the word dumpling. You understand? Check it out.
Let's go. Let's see who's gonna be the winner right now. 1 pound of flour eating contest. 4 dumpling in each plate or 3. We are 1 pound with a tip of corn meal and a little butter. Let's go. Let's see who's gonna be the winner at Carmel right now. Grave in the day, I know. And Grave train some people and over.
You look like kerchief man.
Let's see who's gonna be the winner right now. 1 pound of flour in each plate. 3 pounds of flour that right now need up. Every plate 4 dumplings. 1 little piece of butter. And they are going at it right now. They are speeding like Usain Bolt. Asafa Powell is going down. Asafa Powell is still trying to keep up with you. Sit on your jaw corner. You're gonna go to it right now. Yes, sir. And number 1 is going down the road. First place is going down the road. Second place is about to take the first place right now. Second place is going on it. About to take the first place, and first place is trying to running away with it right now. Third place is keeping up. Third place is going well. He got 1 dumpling, 1.5 dumpling leave. Third place is keeping up. And third place is dumpling cut 1 more time. Third place is to come out of the last piece of the dumpling. Yes, man, draw closer to your contender. And it's boxing like only feel. Boxing like only feel once more. And Mayweather is pretending to be defensive right now. Mayweather is in the middle. Oh my God, only feel put him in the corner. He gives him 2 and stroke a while ago with the dumpling in his mouth. Oh yes, Mayweather is trying to go. Only Field is keeping up. Lennox Lewis in his face a while ago with 1 dumpling in. Now Holyfield is on the ground. Holyfield get a foul a while ago. The referee called the fight. Lennox Lewis is down there. Mayweather is trying to keep it up. And dumpling is bouncing around the field. Yes, in the ring right now. Mayweather is leading. Lennox Lewis trying to box Mayweather. Holyfield get that one in his chest. Somebody have been locked up. Now we have Holyfield. We have Holyfield in the place right now. We have Lennox Lewis. He's flexing to the right. He's kicking the punch right now. Kicking the punch right now. Put 2 pieces in your mouth or 3 pieces and kicking the punch. Mayweather. How the contest right now because he failed to carry on. Lennox Lewis is keeping up. Lennox Lewis is keeping up. Holyfield is dancing well. Got more 5 pieces of dumpling in his plate. My friend come back in the game. My friend steal a dumpling and decide he has to win the 3 dumpling rounds. My friend come back for it.
Yo, fam, when I just get 4 dumpling and can't manage it, give me one next time, me back to the 5 of them and still beat you know. And one thing, the one me take the dumpling from, the one with the nanny miggle, him look like say boy, he made us hungry. Yeah, he look like he made us hungry and see opportunity where he can get couple dumpling feet. So him just go eat normally and casually, like him eating food and yard. Him never in a no competition. I don't tell the man them have half a dumpling, him still have 2.5 barely a chocolate pan. He look like he may have no gas. He look like him engine and pop down, in gasket and blow. You understand? Yes, he look like he gasket and blow people. He doesn't they like a stoosh girl. I pick on the dumpling like him a bloody bird. While Kerchief man, Jesus peace. Kerchief man could have for Jamaica. I don't want to laugh, Rasta. I does not want to laugh. But me like them vibes and me like them energy. Black shirt man, ain't go on good for coming a second place anyhow. Although it was just both of them in the competition anyhow. So it's just Kerchief man and black shirt man. As me say, casual eater, the little stush dumpling eater. You can cancel him out tight. But from the race start, I see Kerchief man, a Kerchief man, me put my money upon and I know say, yo, me can't lose. Kerchief man have everything upon lock. People, let me know what you think about this video and the vibes and the energy where them there all. Me like it. You understand? I love to stem something. It's all about fun. You understand? Entertainment and belly full. Everything in a one. So I say, I love to see more of them things. I'm not lie. Now this give me an idea. One time I got yard to put on one tree competition one night. No dumpling eating competition and probably 2 other competition. You understand? A whole lot of vibes that people can come and come full jar themselves and have the opportunity to win at food. Me know guys can do that. Don't contribute 120 grand for the winner. And we put on a show for you. Yeah man. Anyway my beautiful people, let me know what you guys think about this one. I like the energy, I like the vibes. Big and serious. Yo, Kerchief man, you're a real foodie. Big up yourself. Cocoa Organic Skincare. Check it out.
Hi guys, I'm Victoria and I'm the founder of Cocoa Skincare, where we make natural, organic and vegan friendly products such as body butter, lip gloss, lip balm, face scrub, soap, and launching this week body lotion as well. So what sets us apart is I'm not just a creator, I'm a testimony of the effectiveness of our products. I use them daily, and as you can see, the results speak for itself. I initially started this business because my daughter suffers from dry skin and she has been using different prescribed creams which doesn't necessarily work long term. So I started this venture to solve that, and it has been working very well. Join us in embracing skincare, where it's not just a routine, but it's a ritual. It's a celebration of self-love and well-being, where every product is our commitment to your skin. We have free UK delivery on all products. We also have a 10% off over £10 using the code RAPA10. And we do ship internationally, but that also depends on your location.
You can find them on Instagram at coco_skincare_. The link will be in the bio. So click on the link and it will take you straight to their website where you can make your purchase. Remember, it's always good to support our community. Coco Skincare. People, go check it out. This is the website. RAPA10 give you 10% off if you spend over £10. Go grab your items now.